Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2018 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop Edition in white knuckle with HID headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control with stop, blind spot and crosspath detection, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, 3-zone temperature control, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto compatible, second row 60/40 fold and tumble seating, power sunroof, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5507.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.